How can we use hematite? Hematite is a popular stone in the world of crystal healing due to its grounding and protective properties. It is believed to help absorb negative energy and transform it to positive energy, as well as enhance focus and concentration. I'm going to share with you ways you can use hematite in your daily life. The first way is to wear hematite jewelry. One of the easiest ways to use hematite is to wear its jewelry. Hematite bracelets, necklaces, and earrings are readily available and can be worn throughout the day to help absorb negative energy and promote a sense of calm. Number 2 is meditate with hematite. You can use hematite during your meditation by holding a piece of the stone in your hand or placing it on your body. This can help you to focus your thoughts and bring a sense of peace and tranquility to your practice. The third way to use hematite is to place hematite around your home or office. Hematite stones can be placed around your home or office in order to help absorb negative energy and promote a sense of grounding and stability. You can place a piece of hematite near your computer or electronic device to help protect against electromagnetic radiation. You can use hematite in crystal grits. Hematite can be used in crystal grits to help amplify its grounding and protective properties. You can place hematite stones around the perimeter of a grid or use them as a crystal stone. You can also carry hematite with you. Hematite stones are usually small and portable, making them easy to carry with you throughout the day. You can place a piece of hematite in your pocket or a purse to help absorb negative energy and promote a sense of calm and focus. Overall, there are many ways to use hematite in your daily life. Whether you wear it as a jewelry, use it in your meditation, or place it around your home or office, hematite can be a valuable tool in promoting physical and emotional spiritual well-being.